Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Matcha Boba Pusheen cat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the top of the cup with a large oval. Let's draw the shape of the cup now. From the sides, let's draw lines down that are slightly angled in. And then a curve across the bottom to connect both sides. Next, let's move up to the top and we're going to draw the straw. Inside the top oval, let's draw a curve across here. And then lines up on both sides. Next, let's close off the top with an oval. And lastly, for the straw, let's erase that line inside. Now let's add the details inside the cup. Let's draw the bottom of the lid by drawing a curve at the top here. Now underneath on the right, let's draw another curve, but stopping here. Now let's draw a curved V-shape up for the ear. Now let's add another diagonal curve over, and then another ear in the same way. And then one more curve at the end to finish it off. Next, let's move in between the ears and underneath. Let's start in the center and draw a diagonal line down and then curving it back up like this. And then add the same shape on the left. And again on the right. Next, let's move down underneath and we're going to draw a curve down and to the left. And then down to the right for the mouth. Next, let's add the eyes on either side with 2 black circles. Next, let's add the whiskers. On the right side, let's draw 2 lines out. And then 2 on the left. And that's it for the face. Next, let's add the tapioca pearls at the bottom. Let's add 5 circles at the bottom like this. Next, let's move under the cup and let's draw 3 curves for the feet. One on the bottom left, one in the center, and then one over to the right. Lastly, let's add the tail on the left side. Let's start on the left side of the cup and draw a curve up and back down like this. And then add 4 curves inside for the stripes. And that's it for this cute Pusheen bubble tea. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!